Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing a simple science experiment that's going to kind of feel like a magic trick, but I'll explain how it works. And it's very simple. There's things that you're probably going to have around your house, so don't worry about having to get anything. All you're going to need is a plastic bag, one that seals, so like Ziploc or the store like bargain brand version, and you'll just need, and a pencil. So you just need a plastic bag and a pencil, and then what you'll do is you're going to take your bag, you're going to fill it up with water. I've already done it to make this a little simpler, and you can just fill it up to any level. It doesn't really matter where, but you're going to want to seal it. And then what you're going to do, and this is where the magic trick part of it comes in, is you're going to take your pencil. You probably want a little bit sharper than mine, but it'll work with this. I've already tested it out. And you're going to poke it through the bag all the way through, and you're going to see what happens. For those with younger kids, I would suggest doing it over like a sink or outside, just in case they get a little overzealous as they're poking it through, because you don't necessarily want to stab it real hard. You just kind of want to push it through, and then you're going to see what happens. So let's see what happens. So you take it, and you're just going to push it, and you push it all the way through, and no water is coming out. You only can see, you can feel the first part of your pencil is probably a little wet because it's going to go through the water, but as long as you push it all the way through and you're underneath, see where my water level is right here? So if it's underneath the water level, it'll go all the way through and no water will come out. And this is because under the water there's water pressure, and the water pressure, once something comes through it, and as long as it goes all the way through, the two holes are going to seal around your pencil, and the pressure is going to seal it together so that no water comes out. So this is an easy way to kind of learn and experience what water pressure is. So like when you go swimming, you go underneath, it feels differently when you go underneath the water than when you're above it. Where like you take a ball and you try to push it down, and then once you push it down real hard, then the ball comes shooting back up once you let go. That's because of the water pressure. So this is just a small little quick experiment you can do with your kids, or you can do it really whenever you want to kind of explore and see what water pressure is like. In the comments, I'm gonna try and find another video that explains water pressure in more detail for those of you that would be interested in. So this is just like I said, this is a simple, cool little water pressure experiment that you can do at any time you want. I imagine it'll work well with any other kind of liquid too, although I'd probably just suggest using water. That way you're not necessarily going to have other liquid that you may want to drink that you poked a pencil through. So, yeah, that's our experiment for the day, and we'll see you back next time. Bye.